Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Taya, and today we're going to be making these delicious Asian style sticky short ribs. If you're interested in this video, grab your pots, grab your pans, and let's get right into it. Alright guys, so here I have my short ribs. I have cleaned them and made sure I washed them properly. I got these at my local Walmart here, and I went to a different store and got them cut even shorter than they were. And we're just gonna go ahead and season those and set them aside. We're gonna go ahead and add some toasted sesame oil to our pan, and then go ahead and add our ribs. Make sure not to have them too stuffed. If you have more than I do, you might want to go ahead and sear them in batches. You just want to get these to a nice brown color like I have here. Try not to burn them, but just get them to a nice brown color. And then we're just going to go ahead and set those aside. We're gonna go ahead and start by adding some chili peppers to our pan, and then to that we're gonna add some garlic. Then we're gonna go ahead and add some star anise and onions. We're just gonna fry those until they're nice and fragrant. To that I added some rice vinegar. You just want this to just get like really nice and fragrant. We're just trying to get all those flavors out before we go ahead and add our ribs back into the pot. Go ahead and add some soy sauce to our pot. I go with half regular soy sauce and half dark soy sauce, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some brown sugar. Because it's the sticky ribs, we want that brown sugar to reduce with the soy sauce and all the flavor of the beef. It's all going to reduce to this really sticky, delicious flavor. I'm going to go ahead and add some water as well, and you just want just enough water to braise these beef. I'm going to go ahead and braise those for about 3 to 4 hours till they're nice and tender. You can check on them every 2 hours. Done, you should get these delicious fall off the bone ribs, and I serve mine with some nice soft roasted plantain and some brown rice with a little spring salad that I just topped off with some pomegranate, and that's it. It's really easy and super delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have any suggestions, any questions, go ahead and post them in the comment section down below. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. See you guys in the next video. Stay safe.